In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D animation in Renderforest from template to export. We'll go from picking a template all the way to exporting a finished video, keeping everything simple and clear so you can follow along on your first try. Start by heading to the Renderforest website and clicking Log In. Sign into your account so your work saves as you go. If you're already signed in, you'll land right on your dashboard, which is perfect for jumping in without any setup. Being logged in ensures your changes are stored so you won't lose progress if you step away. From the dashboard, click Templates. This is where you'll find a large library of ready-made designs you can customize. In the search bar, type 3D animation. That will narrow your results to templates designed with three-dimensional scenes, characters, and transitions. Great for intros, promos, and explainers. Spend a moment browsing the options. Before you choose, watch the sample preview and skim the description to see what kinds of scenes and placeholders are included. When you find a design that matches your style or message, click Create Now. You'll arrive in the storyboard editor. Think of the storyboard as your video's outline. Each block represents a scene you can add. Click a scene you want to use, then click Add to Video. Repeat this to build your sequence: an attention-grabbing opener, a few text slides for key points, product or feature shots, and a clean outro. If something doesn't fit the story you're telling, you can adjust your selection and swap scenes until the flow feels right. With your scenes in place, click Text on any selected scene to edit the text. Keep your lines concise so they fit the template's layout. Watch for character limits and use short, clear phrases to keep everything readable on screen. If a scene supports multiple text fields, use each one with intention: headline, supporting detail, and a simple call to action to guide viewers smoothly. If your scene includes a logo placeholder, click Image, Logo. This is optional, but adding a brand mark can make your video feel polished. Click Upload and select your file. High-quality PNGs, especially with a transparent background, look best in 3D environments. After uploading, check the fit. If cropping or scaling is available, adjust so your logo is clean and centered. When you're happy, click Preview. Renderforest will generate a quick draft so you can check timing, transitions, and how text and images move together. Use this to catch typos, pacing issues, or logo alignment, then make any necessary tweaks. Finally, click Export. Renderforest will process your video. Rendering can take a moment depending on length and complexity, so let it finish. And that's it. Your 3D animation is ready to go.